Hello everyone. Once again, I welcome you all to English Arcade. Continuing with our series of letter writing videos, today we will learn how to write a letter of inquiry. The links for the other letter writing videos are available in the description box for the convenience of all our dear friends who have missed them. This video will focus on the following points. What is a letter of inquiry and why is it written? How to write a letter of inquiry, that is the format of the letter of inquiry. We will understand it better with the help of a solved example. So friends, a letter of inquiry is written to get information. It could be information related to a product that we wish to buy, like a mobile phone or an LCD TV, or it could be about services we wish to avail, whether in form of tutorial services, pest control services, etc. So it includes information regarding a course, a coaching center we wish to join, a sports center, a college, an institution, any product, a place, a hotel, or any kind of an accommodation, etc. A letter of inquiry falls in the category of business letters. Let us look at the essential elements of a good letter of inquiry. It is written as a formal letter for business purposes, so it follows the format of a formal letter. The tone should be polite, respectful, and friendly. Informal expressions, greetings, contracted forms of words, abbreviations should be strictly avoided. The salutation is dear sir or dear ma'am. Subject line should have the words inquiry regarding and the name of the product or services that we wish to ask about. Introduce yourself in the first paragraph and mention your requirements. Ask for detailed information about the product or services in the second paragraph. Use passive voice for queries or questions. Leave a line between two paragraphs. Add a courteous closing line and close with yours sincerely and the sender's name. Let us look at the format of a letter of inquiry. As I told you just now, that it follows the format of a formal letter. So we start with the sender's address, then comes the date, next comes the receiver's designation, followed by the complete official address of the receiver. Salutation comes next, followed by the subject. The subject in a letter of inquiry should begin with inquiry regarding. The body of the letter is the most important part of a letter, and in this letter also it is divided into 3 paragraphs. First paragraph is an introductory paragraph where we state the purpose of writing. Paragraph 2 is all about our queries. We need to write at least 4 to 5 queries in points. The last paragraph is a concluding paragraph where, among many other things, we make a request for a quick response. Then comes the complimentary close, yours sincerely, followed by the sender's name. So when we write the letter, the format looks like this: sender's address, date, the receiver's designation, the receiver's complete official address, salutation, subject, body of the letter, complimentary close, followed by the sender's name. Let us learn all about how to write the body of the letter of inquiry. So the distribution of content goes like this. Paragraph 1. State the purpose of writing the letter. So we need to specify the product or the service that we need to inquire about. Refer to the advertisement or the source from where we got to know about the institute, the company, or the organization. If we refer to an advertisement, we need to give the name of the newspaper in which the ad was published, the date of publication, and then we introduce ourselves. Paragraph 2 is the detailed information that we require from that institute or organization. That includes at least 4 or maybe 5 different queries which are written in points and in passive voice. Paragraph 3, we conclude by asking for a reply as soon as possible. Let us look at some common queries that we can use and write while writing a letter of inquiry for a particular course or some classes that we may wish to join. Duration of the course, class timings, fee structure, mode of payment, admission procedure, eligibility criteria for the course, scholarships if any, number of students in a batch, facility of evening or part-time batches, hostel facility, facility for transport, future prospect of the course. Some more common queries while writing a letter of inquiry for a school trip or a school or a college excursion. Tourist spots to be included in the trip, cost per person, type of accommodation, mode of transport, concession for students if any, details about adventure sports and other activities. We will understand how to write a good letter of inquiry with the help of this solved example. You are Rajni/Rahul of E95 Sector 12 Dwarka. You are interested in joining a short-term computer course in computer programming being offered by Z Computer World, Pitampura, Delhi. Write a letter inquiring about all relevant details regarding the course. We start by writing the sender's address as given in the question. Leave a line, write the date. Leave a line, write the receiver's designation followed by the receiver's address. Then comes the salutation followed by the subject. The subject in a letter of inquiry should begin with words like inquiry about or inquiry regarding. In this letter, inquiry about short-term computer programming course. Paragraph 1. This is with reference to your advertisement in the Hindu dated 12th July 2021 regarding a short-term course in computer programming being offered by your institute. I have passed my class 10th with 85% marks and I want to join this program. Paragraph 2. Before I enroll myself, I would like to know the following details about the program. 1. Duration of the course. 2. Class timings. 3. Eligibility criteria for the course. 4. Number of students in a batch. 5. Facility of evening or part-time batches. 6. Transport facility available, if any. 7. Future prospects of the course. Paragraph 3. Please send me this information at the earliest. In case you have a printed prospectus, kindly mail it to the given address. Your quick response will enable me to enroll as soon as possible. Complimentary close, yours faithfully. Name of the sender, Rajni Singh. I hope, friends, you have understood how to write a good letter of inquiry. Let us look at a practice question and attempt it on our own. You are Ankush/Anshika, a student of class 12, a resident of T55, Malviya Nagar, New Delhi, and you want to become a choreographer. Write a letter to the director, National Institute of Choreography, Noida, seeking information about a diploma course in choreography being offered by them. Please write your answers in the comments section. I'll be happy to read your responses. Let us look at some points to remember that we've learned in this video. So revising the content once again. A letter of inquiry is written as a formal letter for business purposes. The tone has to be polite and friendly. Informal expressions, greetings, or contracted forms of words should not be used. Salutation could be dear sir or ma'am. The subject line should have words like inquiry about or inquiry regarding. Introduce yourself and mention your requirements in the first paragraph itself. Ask for detailed information about the product or services in paragraph 2. Use passive voice for all the queries or questions that you write in paragraph 2. Leave a line between paragraphs. Add a courteous closing line. Close with yours sincerely or yours faithfully and the sender's name. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it useful, kindly like and subscribe to my channel.